How to request your first Uber ride or how you can order Uber. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can request the first Uber ride. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First, we have to download the Uber application from the App Store or Play Store. So open up your App Store or Play Store, search for Uber and tap on install. Once the installation is complete, then you have to open up Uber. Then you have to sign up using your mobile number or email and also set a password and verify your phone number. So once you're done creating your account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, if prompted, you could also add a payment method. You can use your debit card, credit card, or even a cash in some cities. So once you're done adding your payment method, once you land on your home page, now to order your Uber or to make a first Uber request, tap on the search bar at the top that says tap right relax. Now here you have to tap on where to text box, then you have to enter the address or name of the place that you're going to. So tap on where to, then enter the address or name of the place that you're going. Now you have to select the type of ride that you want. UberX is budget friendly and comfort gives you more legroom, and UberXL fits more people. So according to your need, you can select one from here, and the price is also given next to that. And also you have to check the pickup location and confirm it. Check that your pickup location is correct. You can drag the pin if you're not exactly at the same or exactly at the suggested spot. So once you choose one from here, if you haven't added the payment method, make sure that you add a payment method. After that, you could confirm your Uber and your ride will be on the way. Then you will see your driver's name, photo, and the car's license plate. You could also track the car. You could watch your driver's progress on the map and be ready when they arrive. You could always check the car and driver match before getting in. After that, you can enjoy your ride. When it ends, payment happens automatically or you can pay in cash if allowed. And finally, you could rate your Uber driver and also leave a tip or feedback if you would like. So that's it. You have completed your first Uber ride, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.